Hey guys, today I have a ton inside of this clean with me video for you guys. Here is breakfast. I had to get some coffee to get my mind right. I am going to be doing not just cleaning but also haircuts for my neighbors, playing games with my friends, cooking here. My husband will be cooking later. It's so much going on today that I thought that I was not going to end this day without making a video of it. So I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys later. Is so cool. I love him. He lives across the street from me. He is always giving me like food donations. Like, I absolutely love it. So I'm cutting his hair today, and as well as cutting his oldest grandson's. I should leave this together. Your body's calling me for real. My love's like an enemy. Stay awake till the morning. I hate when you leave. And my neighbor's oldest grandson here, he's telling me how he wants his hair, like he does every single time. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I've fallen for you hopelessly. Remember the things that you told me? They got me moving forward. And all the times that we disagreed just cut my respect deeper. I'm feeling that we are something really special when I look back on us. It's starting to sink in. Don't want it to be misunderstood. Rolling in the deep. Don't want to break this. 'Cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. So baby, won't you trust me? 'Cause you must trust me. I can never do you wrong. I take a bullet for you. If I lose you, I would not know what to do. I'm falling for you hopelessly. I need a girl that can ride for me. Wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know you don't have to try with me. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
I've been trying to take my eyes off you. Oh girl, it ain't easy, just let go of that body. Why you gotta keep flirting like you do? I waited so patiently, but you don't seem sorry. I sent a little DM, trying to make some plans. Now come on baby, later in the PM, hope that you would understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's known it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say, I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than 9 to 5. Come on, let your clothes drop down to the floor. I wanna see you moving slowly to the music. We'll be dimming the lights, then lock the door. I know it sounds crazy, but hey, we're gonna do it. Come on, yeah. Send a little DM, trying to make some plans. Trying, baby, later in the PM. Hope that you will understand. I think that if you get to know me, you see I'm way more than nice. I wanna hold you, let me feel you till the morning light. I'm more than just 9 to 5.
Okay, this pink pink sheet right here was getting on my nerves. It wasn't the sheet itself. It is the fact that I'm watching TV and trying to do it, and I was like really into the TV. So I got mad. You'll see later, but I'm gonna get mad at it and just go put it on my bed. Let's just go put it on the bed. So.
I'm more than just 9 to 5. Everyone's gone, it's only you and I. Looks like we'll be staying up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. I'm more than I know. Yeah. Everyone's gone, it's only you and I. Oh, looks like we'll be staying up all night. You're up all night. Time to play what you say. I'm here for you. I'm working overtime. More than 9 to 5. More than 9 to 5, baby.
thanks so much for sticking to, well, just about to the end of the video. I want to thank those who've watched, who've liked, who've commented, and been polite as always. I appreciate each and every one of you. And stay tuned for the very end. I have a little bonus clip for you. The next one is a skillet. Yeah. Yeah. Davina won it. Yeah.
How did she beat Davina? How did she beat Shay?
She beat her. She beat her.
She had that in her